Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. And today we are going to start a new journey towards learning HTML, or I should say HTML5, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to build web pages and is a building block of a website or a web page. Whether you are completely new to web development or you already have some experience, this course will guide you step by step from the basics of HTML to advanced HTML5 features. So it will be a series of videos on HTML5 concepts all grouped in a playlist for better accessibility and for structured video by video learning. So first we will learn about what is HTML and what role does it play in a website. Every website you see on the internet like Google, YouTube or any blog website starts with HTML. HTML is not a programming language, instead it is a markup language. This means it uses tags to describe the structure and content of a web page. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website. It tells the browser where to place headings, paragraphs, images, links, tables, forms, and more. Without HTML, there would be no web pages. As we move forward, we will explore document and its structure, then what is the source code and how to view the source code of a website. Then we will learn what are the HTML elements or tags and some examples along with them. Then we will talk about headings, paragraph, HTML formatting elements, HTML element attributes, the image tag, links which includes the anchor tag, HTML lists, table, etc. These topics are very important because they help create clean, structured and user-friendly web pages. And then we will dive deeper with HTML head, semantic elements, character entities, HTML forms which include label, input, select, etc. elements. Then the HTML media elements also. One important thing to remember is that HTML is the foundation of web development. If you understand HTML well, learning CSS, JavaScript, or any other framework becomes much easier. That's why this course focuses on building a strong foundation, not just memorizing tags. Throughout the course, we will use simple examples, real world scenarios, and hands on practice. You are encouraged to write code along with lessons and experiment on your own. Making mistakes is part of learning, so don't worry if something doesn't work at first. By the end of this course, you will be able to create well structured web pages from scratch, understand and use HTML5 features confidently, read and write HTML code used in real websites, prepare yourself for the next steps in web development. So, this will be an epic adventure of HTML. So, stay curious, tighten your seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen, and enjoy learning how the web is built. We are going to be more productive than ever, and make sure you are subscribed to this channel for the HTML 2026 course and other similar content on the channel. Thank you and all the best.